your girl Cheta Priska and you're welcome to my channel. So guys, today's video I will be showing you all how I make my daily protein shake as a food supplement. So if you're on a weight loss journey and you're looking for a food supplement, then this video is for you because this protein shake is actually very healthy and it is easy to make at home. So these are the fruits and some of the basic ingredients that I'm going to use to make this protein shake. So guys, our first ingredient for today is going to be our unsweetened almond milk. Basically guys, what you all need to do is to add your almond milk of choice to the blender. Also, you add your unsweetened Greek yogurt to it. Then the first fruit we're going to add is our banana. Our apples, a chopped apple in it. And then the next thing is our watermelon. So our last ingredient for today is the egg. The reason I'm adding this egg is because I couldn't find a protein powder. So basically a protein powder is a blend of real food. So egg is also very proteinous. It is highly proteinous, and that is the reason why I'm making use of egg. So just in case you can't find a protein powder, so you can use egg or any other proteinous food, because basically protein powders are basically a blend of real proteinous food. So I'm going to add it in, then the cover, So guys, this is the end result of my homemade protein shake, as easy as it can be. And trust me guys, the mixture is nice and it is thick and it has a very nice smell, and trust me guys, it is very good. So if you want to drink your protein shake, you can just add a straw on it just so you feel yourself and enjoy yourself, or you can just drink it right from the cup. So guys, if you can't find a protein powder in your supermarket, then all you need to do is to get a proteinous food. Like I used my egg, and it will still give you the right protein. So guys, if you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post new videos. Until then, it's bye for now and stay safe.